Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! Today, I'm going to show you how to fold hydrangeas. We're going to start with one small piece of paper. Even a post-it would be perfect.
Windshield wipers on the blue skies are playing hide and seek. Gray clouds spilling out the rain. Headlines today.
And then we are going to fold again to create quarters. Alright, let's flip it over and fold it in half into a triangle this time. And then open it up and pop it in, and then you are going to bring the sides down to the bottom and crush the top down. This is the bird base. Once we have the bird base, we're going to fold these sides into the center. Meow. Let's repeat. Meow. Flip it over. Repeat again. Meow. And one more time. Meow. All right. Should look something like this. And then we are going to fold it in half. Once you've folded it in half, you can open up the bigger side, the open side. Open it up carefully, and you will have your hydrangea flower. That looks pretty cool the way that it is, but I will show you one more step if you want to make it look even more like a flower. I kind of like this look too. Here's how we can make it look like this. We can kind of taper the sides. Flip it over, and you're just gonna grab, we're just gonna fold in, see that bit that's sticking out? We're just gonna fold it down, just kind of squash it down. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but squash it down like that. You'll get the hang of it, but it might take a couple of times. Let's grab the bit that's sticking out and fold it back. Like so.
It's just one of those days. I don't wanna get out of bed. I just wanna curl up.
All right, and there you go. Now you can just repeat, make as many of these as you like. You can even mix up the colors a little bit like I did here. Make a bunch of them and then glue them together. And you can also fold some leaves. So I'm gonna link to a leaf tutorial too, and you can try that out. I would love to see your hydrangeas.
Hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you, thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!